Thank you for purchasing NuVue's winter shrub cover. Inside the bag, you will find the heavy-duty cover, fiberglass poles, and ground stakes. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Remove the fiberglass poles and ground stakes from inside the cover. Step 2. Untie the cord around the cover and spread the cover out on a flat surface. Step 3. Separate the fiberglass poles into 2 equal groups. Note: each group should include one pole without a metal connector joint. Step 4. Connect the poles in each group to form 2 identical rods of equal length. Step 5. Insert the end of one assembled fiberglass rod into the pocket located at a bottom corner of the cover. Step 6. Gently bend the rod into the cover and insert the opposite end into the pocket on the other side. Safety note: eye protection is recommended during this step to prevent accidental injury. Step 7. Repeat steps 5 and 6 with the second fiberglass rod. Step 8. Flip the cover onto its side and use the red ties inside the cover to secure the fiberglass rods in its place. Step 9. Install the ground stakes by inserting each stake through the loop at each corner of the cover. Note: larger covers may include additional loops and stakes for extra support. Hammer the stakes into the ground at a 45-degree angle for best stability. A soft-headed hammer is recommended to avoid damaging the stakes.